Hello everyone, welcome to OBS Studio tutorials. In this video, we are going to see that how can you add a Google Chrome window capture in your OBS Studio. So suppose I have a Google Chrome window that is open that is just showing google.com. Okay. So I want to just record this particular video in my OBS Studio. How am I going to do it? So just go to OBS Studio, make sure you have created a new profile and new scene collection. Then go to sources and click on the plus icon, and there would be a window capture. Click on that. You can rename it to anything that you want. Since I'm just recording my Chrome window, so I'm just going to rename it as Chrome. Click on OK. Then whichever Google Chrome window is already opened, that would be shown over here. Or in case you have multiple windows open, then what you will do is you will get a drop down for the multiple videos, all the windows that are opened. And from there, you can just choose the window that you want to capture. In my case, only Google Chrome is open, so that's selected over here automatically. Now, one thing that you want to make sure is the capture method is automatic and the capture cursor is turned on, and click on OK. So then you can just resize it to fit the recording size, something like this. And boom, that's how your Google Chrome window is getting captured in OBS Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.